this dirty old bicycle here. Let's spray some of the Super Clean on. Let it sit for a minute. See what we get. Taking off the grease and grime. Might put some more on it. It's doing the job. The old Trek Navigator bicycle. Marketplace score. Got the old Navy jets flying overhead. Well, there's one use for Super Clean. Spray a little more on there. Sit for a little while. Oh, we forgot to get this brake back here. After we get everything cleaned up, we'll lubricate it. Sometimes you gotta worry about using Super Clean on aluminum, but that's only unfinished aluminum. This is anodized aluminum. So it didn't hurt it. Plus, we're not leaving it on there for too long. She's cleaning up pretty nice. Yeah, this bike's probably from the 90s, 1990s maybe. Not sure, I'll have to look at the serial number on it. Anyway, it's looking a little better already. Yeah, well there you go, Castrol Super Clean.